This is the Neakasa M1 automatic litter box. Automatic litter boxes are really handy to keep your house smelling clean, keeping your kitties happy because they have a clean litter box, and they can help lower the expense of buying litter since it keeps it cleaner for longer. So today we are checking out this $600 litter box to see if it's my new favorite. By the way, you can currently get a whopping $100 off via the link below. This litter box also comes with a 30-day guarantee and a 1-year warranty. I also wanted to mention Neakasa also sells an M1 Lite version, which includes 1 roll of waste bags, but the regular M1, which is the one I'm reviewing today, comes with 2 rolls and a litter mat. Now, before you balk at the price, yes, these things are expensive, but they really do save you money in the long run, especially if you have multiple cats. Since the premise of automated litter boxes is to sift the waste away from the clean litter, that ends up saving more clean litter than it would if it mixed with the waste all the time. It might also keep your cats from peeing on your other items if you have trouble keeping up with cleaning, which no judgment here. I recently went through a surgery and I was not allowed to do any physical labor, including cleaning up, for 2 weeks. Also, if you have other animals that like to eat poo, like a dog, automatic litter boxes will definitely give you some peace of mind there. Now, this review has been a long time coming. Starbuck the Calico Tortie, who you've seen in previous videos, she will not be in this video. She went through a lot of health problems since this review unit arrived and she passed away before the filming of this review. I also went through a pretty invasive surgery, so my husband helped me with some of the filming, hence the masculine hands in some of these unboxing videos. But my other senior kitty, Luna, she's 14 years old, my little anime kitty, she will be helping me with this review to show you how the litter box works and how it senses cats. And Neakasa did send this review unit my way for this video. However, I have purchased a few automated litter boxes myself over the past several years, so I have a ton of experience with them, and yes, they do last a very long time, y'all. Now, I know that cat poop is a really fascinating topic for YouTube. If you find this video helpful though, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. Subscribing is a very simple way of showing me which videos you find helpful, which ones are valuable. It also shows me which direction I should be taking my channel in. Do you want more smart pet tech? Subscribe and I can make that happen. Now, my biggest concerns with smart litter boxes are the kitties' safety first and foremost, technical errors if I run into any of those, cleaning ease and how often I'll have to take it apart and clean, and noise. So the box includes the main unit, a litter mat, 4 support legs, a power adapter, there's 2 rolls of trash bags in the M1, and your quick start guide and a user manual. It was very easy to set up with only a few components. Once you put it all together, you add your litter and you press the leveling button. Now on the front, we have the following buttons. There's on, off, clean, level, empty, and Wi-Fi. You press the on, off button for 3 seconds to turn it on, press clean to start a cleaning cycle, press level to level the cat litter, yada yada. Press empty for 3 seconds to dump all the cat litter, and you can press Wi-Fi for 3 seconds to set up a Wi-Fi network. It's very, very easy. Now I immediately noticed the design is open from the top and it doesn't have any doors, so that was a bit different for me. So it's easy for my kitty to jump in and out however she sees fit. She is 14, so if she has any issues getting in, I can purchase a step stool to allow her to walk right into it. I also appreciate that it's top open so I can see her using it in case I need to monitor her for health problems. It's definitely a big enough opening even for bigger cats, and it also never fully closes when it cleans, and it also has an anti-pinch protection. So let's go ahead and test it. You will notice immediately that when it is dumping the waste, the clean litter gets sifted into a compartment and it continues to rotate and uses gravity to make the waste fall into the trash bag. It detects your cat using 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors, so it will detect when my cat is looking inside the litter box or actually sitting in there. According to Neakasa, it will work for kitties up to 33 pounds. That's That's a lot. My cat is only 7 pounds, so I can't really test that limit. My dog is also like 65 pounds, so she's a little bit too large, so I can't put her in there either. Now, if you have a tiny little kitten that's less than 2.2 pounds, there is a kitten mode built in as well. Kitten mode is basically just turning off automated cleaning mode and then manually pressing the clean button, either on the unit or in the app. It still allows your kitten to learn how to use the litter box, but it removes the issue of weight sensors not actually recognizing the kitten. Now, with your adult kitties, it's fully automated. Since I have this set up in my studio, it has to be quiet so it does not distract from my recording sessions. It's also super quiet. 50 decibels is the quoted noise level, and my cat does not seem to mind it at all. She's also already used to automated litter boxes, so it did not take long for her to be curious enough to use this one. Now, I did put some of her old waste inside the new Neakasa M1 to ensure that she could smell it and she was familiar with that scent so that she felt comfortable jumping in it. But if you have a cat that's never used an automated cat litter box, turn it off until they're completely comfortable actually using it as a litter box, and then you can monitor them in person, like make sure you're in the same room while it is on and rotating to allow your cat to, escape to you if they need to get some comfort, but also be aware of the noise that comes out of it because it is a machine. Now, one note to make is since it is an open top, my cat just jumps out, like whichever way she wants to jump. And she gets litter all over the place, including on her own tail. You may want to invest in a bigger litter mat because the one that comes with the M1 is kind of small if your cat also likes to jump out and is a bit of a mess. Now, non-sponsored videos like this one are supported by viewers like you, so if you want to see these videos posted early just for my s'mores, hit the membership button here on YouTube or join my community on Patreon. You will get videos, a monthly Q&A, access to my private Discord, and so much more. Patreon.com/Shannon Morse is the place to go for that. And shout out to my newest Patreon supporter, Ryan. Thank you so much, Ryan. Okay, let's get back into the review. Now, when cleaning, the litter box handles your regular clumping or scoopable litter, but it doesn't work very well with non-clumping newspaper or wood pellet litter types, and this is pretty much across the board when it comes to automated cat litter boxes. The max size for sifting particles is 3 millimeters diameter and 10 millimeters in length, just in case you wanted to know that information. The pull and wrap waste management system is super unique. Basically, this gives you a hole to pull the trash bag strap so that it cinches around the bag opening. So when you open the waste compartment, there's less contact with any waste and there's less odor. While the Neakasa M1 does include a whole bunch of different trash bags included with it, there's a nice big roll. You can actually just use any trash bags that you want in here as long as they fit in the compartment. It will last about 14 days without needing to be clean, less with more cats, and the capacity is very large. It's 7.17 liters for the litter and then 11.23 liters for the waste. To replace the waste bag, just open the waste drawer, pull on the blue tabs to cinch the bag opening, and then you just pull it out. Put your new bag in the waste drawer, making sure to stick the blue tab underneath those two front notches, and you pull the bag over the rubberized edges of the drawer. Now, your drawer also ships in a compacted, like flattened shape, so press in the middle of it to push it out to its full size, because it should be relatively large. Of course, the reason this product is on my channel is because it's connected and it's smart. Yay! It will work without the app, of course, but you can also use the app for customized settings, litter level monitoring, real-time monitoring, multi-cat recognition and tracking, and to use it as a remote control. The app is pretty self-explanatory and it's really easy to set up. Up at the top is your litter fill level and the waste bin data. You've got your remote buttons below that, then it shows you the data from your cat's usage. The working record down at the bottom shows time code data and it branches it out based on the cat, which is determined by the weight. Now, if it doesn't automatically register the data to your cat, you can click on the kitty icon and choose your cat, or you can add a new one. This only supports 2.4 gigahertz though, and so far I have not had any connection issues. So to clean it, empty that cat litter, unplug the power, unlock the covers on either side and pull them off, and then remove the litter chamber and clean with water. Overall, if my cat is happy, then I'm happy. Luna uses the Neakasa M1 litter box with no issues, and it's quiet enough to use in my studio. I love the big waste drawer too, so if I'm going out of the country for a week, my rover cat sitter won't have to worry about emptying it. She still comes over every day to feed Luna and give her lots of attention though. Don't worry, I'm not just leaving my cats without somebody coming in and monitoring them. Kitty and doggy Hobby tech is one of my interests, so if there's any other products out there that you would like me to review, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye y'all!